Hey Jacqueline, I just really quickly wanted to show you how to add a picture into Canvas rather than just adding it as an attachment with a JPEG. So for example, if I reply to your post, hit reply, where you usually would see this attach button. Yep, you can certainly attach your photo that way, but so that everyone can see it and we don't all download it onto our computer, if you go all the way up the screen, you have to reply to the person first. You'll see here links, files, and images. Click on the images tab, so images, and then choose the file, and from there you can go and find your photos, yada yada, and do it that way. I'm just going to cancel that. And it will upload, and then you get to upload it, and it will turn into an image just like this one. Hope that's useful. A really quick little tip as we go along. Thanks, guys.